The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Good morning, everyone. Thanks for waking up with us. Here is a live look out at Virginia Tech over in Blacksburg, showing mostly cloudy skies and a little bit of rainfall out there in the distance. This is what our skyline looks like early on this Saturday morning across southwest Virginia. Our temperatures are sitting in the 40s for the most part, anywhere from about 41 to 47 degrees. So a mild and a muggy start out there. Dealing with widespread rainfall, but those of us who are not seeing rain currently are dealing with some foggy conditions as the atmosphere is saturated. So a little bit of fog throughout northern parts of the Roanoke Valley all the way up to the highlands early on this morning. The radar across parts of the southeast getting really active. There's this really strong line of thunder showers building through parts of the panhandle of Florida into parts of southern Georgia and into South Carolina. There is a tornado watch in effect right here up until about 2 p.m. this afternoon for all of the areas highlighted here in red. Also currently a severe thunderstorm warning in effect right now. If we have a look at things closer here to home, we're dealing with some widespread showers, but some of us are dealing with some heavier rain than other spots right now, especially out in the NRV and in and across Lynchburg. Also Franklin County seeing some heavy rain at this moment. Up towards the north near the highlands, dealing with those foggy conditions because we're not seeing any rain currently, but we're dealing with those cloudy skies and those muggy conditions. So this rain is going to continue to push off towards the east throughout the rest of the morning, then eventually throughout the rest of the afternoon. So we have a look at Future Tracker, possibility for some really heavy bands of rain to build through parts of South Boston and Danville by about 10 a.m. this morning. Then once we get to the afternoon, a lot of the rain starts to push off towards the north and east, and then another line starts to build through by about 5 p.m. So we'll have periods of on and off showers throughout the day, but for the most part, scattered showers are going to persist for all of our Saturday. Going into the overnight, will remain mostly cloudy, then our winds will pick up, and also a possibility for some mountain showers for the west-facing slopes early on our Sunday morning. How much rainfall are we talking? Well, anywhere from about 1/10 of an inch all the way up to about 1/2 an inch. And because of that, there is a little bit of flood potential, especially for parts of the east coast of the United States. Right here at home, about a level 1 out of 3 or 4 for some flooding through today. So not expecting too much rainfall, about 1/2 an inch in most spots. Here's a look at your day planner. Some light showers early on this morning. Heavy pockets of rain between about 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. Then later in the afternoon, the rain lingers and we'll see some scattered showers here and there. Again, we are springing forward later on tonight at about 2 a.m. So losing an hour of sleep, but gaining an hour of daylight. And then, hey, next week, lots of sunshine and warm temperatures.